Hi everyone and welcome to our demonstration of selective attention. Today, we will be exploring a cognitive process that allows us to focus on specific information while filtering out distractions.
Kedua Elza. Ni ampun tulisan. Ayom dua tulisan.
Dinupan ko. Mulo nilo.
Dua ada sus. Pagkan ang nagulsa ang kuana ang sana ang hero ng tulisan. Beritil. Kuan. Kuan ako magpapaliduwa ako.
Our brains are bombarded with sensory information all the time. Selective attention allows us to filter out irrelevant information and focus on what's important at the moment.